Hi guys, I'm Sean Stitch 2014, and today I will be filming this abandoned place, whatever it was. I don't know what it was. Obviously, I'll have to look it up. Obviously, it'll be in the title, but I want to see what they're doing. Oh, they gutted the place. I wonder what's going in there. They just started a bunch of work. Probably not even open, but yeah, I knew it. But they had a crane lift. Just like the Joann's, they gutted it. I won't be doing the Joann fabrics today, but I will do it another time. That will be on video for another time. But yeah, this place is already gutted. They already gutted this store, so they're already turning it into something else. What? I don't know. But I'll definitely see what it is. Getting a lot of glare from the outside. So that's your view inside. So I already tell they're already stripping stuff. We'll look down here, see what's down here. They're already building the plank, so unlike the Vapor's Paradise, they just gutted it, so I can't really tell what they're gonna put. Looks like a big restaurant or a store. It's only big enough for either restaurant or store. Might be like an old, no, not an Old Navy. We already have one of those. I don't know what it would be. Maybe Party City's coming back, and they're putting it in here. So we're doing the update. But it is abandoned, but it ain't. It is under construction. So whatever it is, I'll put it in like description. Last look in here. So I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'll do the Normans and Joann's another time. Anyway guys, I don't know what this building is, but I'll put it in description if I know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this. Hit the bell for when I upload a new video, and I'll see you in next video. Bye.